Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X3 Lite, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go to the settings application, and now just tap here to the personalizations. Here you'll see the wallpaper section, just tap there, and now as can you see, you can select your new wallpaper from your device photos. If you get some photos or from, for example, the downloaded pictures from the internet, or also from the default one, for example from the live wallpapers or from the static one. And now as can you see, we got here our default wallpapers, and you can select one from this wallpaper. For example, we can go with this one, and now just tap here to apply, and we want to apply this wallpaper to our lock screen. And now we'll just check that. Yes, can you see our lock screen wallpaper has changed successfully. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.